So today we're gonna cook delicious Georgian dessert called tatara, or it can be called Pelamushi. To make tatara we just need grape juice and any type of flour. For the beginning we will need to mix grape juice and any type of flour you have. We just need to mix till it's very smooth. And then start cooking, constantly mixing with wooden spoon. Now we're gonna put our bowl in middle fire and cooking, constantly mixing. When we noticed bubbles, we keep another 5 minutes on fire and it will be ready.